Good afternoon, students. I'm Poonam, and today I'm going to teach you your poem from second unit, section C. Name of the poem is The Village Blacksmith. It is written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Students, a blacksmith is a person who makes and repairs things made of iron by hand. In rural areas in the olden days, a blacksmith was a central figure. He was necessary for the shoeing of horses, essential for the transportation and farm work, and the creation of repair of ordinary farm and household implements. So now, who is blacksmith? Blacksmith is a person who works on iron metal. Earlier, since the machines were not so much common, so most of the time a blacksmith used to work with his own hands, by his own hands. And in rural areas, blacksmith was a central figure. What does central figure here means? He was very important person in the village, because in the village most of the things are done manually. So for doing manually things, they have to have their all the instruments proper. So he was necessary for the shoeing of horses. Earlier, beta, since we were not using all these transportation like buses, cars, and all, so people had bullocks and all that carts, and those were working with the horses. So he was necessary for the shoeing of horses. What does it mean? Like horses, they have feet to make their feet strong, or they may not feel hurt while walking on the road, while running on the road. So we generally have to make some metal work on the feet of the horses. That is called shoeing of horse. Essential for the transportation and farm work. So farm work, you all know, instruments are needed for the farming. So all that farmers work, all that farmers need, uh, blacksmith can fulfill. And the creation and repair of ordinary farm and household implements, whatever the implements, whatever the material objects, articles are needed for the household, all these things were also repaired by the blacksmith. Students, some people in today's time think that manual laborers are inferior to them. They do not give respect, equal regard to those who are working manually. Manually, beta, means one who has to work very simple job, or the job which does not carry much money, which does not earn them much money. So that is called to be generally manual. So they are considered to be inferior, but this is a very very wrong attitude to have, because people who do manual labor are equally worthy of respect as people who work in offices. We know that a small machine, if stops working, and if the person who has to repair will not come, just imagine how difficult our life becomes. Just imagine a day that your that water pumps is not working, that machine that which generally help us to bring water is not working for a day, and we are not able to fill our water tank. How the day would be? It would be so difficult to spend a day without water. Similarly, if something goes wrong with the electricity, so all these people are really really very important for us. We should